If you're thinking about taking a DNA test, you've probably come across three of the biggest names in the industry: 23andMe, AncestryDNA, and MyHeritage DNA. While all three analyze your DNA, each one focuses on different features and offers a unique experience. So, which one is the best choice in 2026? In this comparison, we'll look at what each service offers, their biggest strengths, and the factors you should consider before ordering a DNA kit. Let's get started. First, let's talk about 23andMe. 23andMe is well known for combining ancestry reports with health and wellness insights. Depending on the kit you purchase and the country you live in, you may receive reports related to genetic traits, wellness, carrier status for certain inherited conditions, and ancestry composition. One of its biggest strengths is the health information. If you're interested in learning not only where your ancestors came from, but also how your genetics may relate to certain health traits, 23andMe offers one of the most comprehensive consumer experiences available. Now, let's look at AncestryDNA. AncestryDNA focuses primarily on family history and genealogy. It has one of the largest DNA databases in the world, which increases your chances of finding relatives and discovering family connections. It also integrates with Ancestry's extensive collection of historical records, census documents, birth certificates, immigration records, and family trees. If your goal is building a detailed family tree or researching your ancestors, AncestryDNA is often considered one of the strongest options. Next is MyHeritage DNA. MyHeritage is especially popular among people researching international family history. It offers ethnicity estimates, DNA matching, family tree tools, and access to billions of historical records. The platform is available in many languages, making it a popular choice for users outside the United States. One advantage of MyHeritage is its international reach. For people with relatives across Europe, Latin America, the Middle East, or other regions, its global database and multilingual platform can make family research easier. All three services use a simple at-home DNA kit. After ordering your kit, you'll collect a saliva sample following the included instructions, mail it back to the company's laboratory, and wait for your results. Processing times may vary depending on demand. Privacy is another important consideration. Each company has its own privacy policy regarding how DNA data is stored, used, and shared. Before purchasing a kit, it's worth reading the privacy policy and understanding your options for managing or deleting your genetic information. So, which one should you choose? If you're most interested in health reports along with ancestry insights, 23andMe is a strong option. If your priority is genealogy, historical records, and connecting with relatives, AncestryDNA is often the best choice. If you're researching an international family history and want multilingual tools with strong global coverage, MyHeritage is an excellent alternative. Ultimately, the right DNA test depends on what you hope to learn about yourself and your family. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below, letting us know which DNA testing service you're considering.